All right, at the end of that last video, we were trying to get our last ordered pair, and we discovered that a positive or negative one was going to give us non-integers. And so I was trying to avoid using too big of numbers because my graph constraints here, but we're just going to have to go with it. So one of the things that works very nicely in trying to get three ordered pairs in this particular way is if you find a positive value works, for instance, y equals positive 2, usually the negative value works equally as well. So I'm going to use the negative 2 here, and we do see that when we put in negative 2, we're going to get x is equal to 10. And when we have that value, we have an integer ordered pair. The only problem with that is because it's such a big value. So now we're going to go ahead and plot these three ordered pairs, and we're going to graph our line from that. Okay, so now we're going to plot these three ordered pairs. So we have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. So that point is right here. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0, and we label it. And then we have our y-intercept. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. There's our y-intercept. And then finally we have this very large ordered pair, which was the one I was trying to avoid. X is equal to 10, so this is 7, 8, 9, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10's about over here, so that's why I was trying to avoid this. And then at negative 2, so this one's just barely on the paper here, and I don't even know if I'll be able to get it to mark. And so 10 and negative 2 is my ordered pair there. Now, the next thing that I want to do is draw that line. So I'm going to line these points up and draw that line. We'll see how it goes, just drawing my line in there, just like that. It didn't line up too badly. And then putting my arrows at the end, you know how that important that is to me. And finally labeling it with its equation. And that's how you graph a linear equation in two variables by what I call the plug and chug method. In other words, finding three ordered pair solutions for the line. And having the x and y intercept as two of those ordered pair solutions just makes it that much easier. And that's going to put us on to section 5.2, where we're talking about functions. So I'll meet you in the next video for that lesson.